So if I lost everything today, no money in my bank account, nothing at all, and the only thing that I can have is my mobile phone, this is what I could do to make sure that I start making at least $500 every single week. So I want to show you this video. This is me and these are my friends, as you can see here. And right here, we were on this mission to make $2,000 in just 1 week. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best method that anyone around the world can go ahead and apply this method and start making money more than $500 up to $1,000 every single week. And if you're very serious about this method absolutely going to work for you if you follow everything that I'm gonna tell you in this video. So the only thing that I'm so excited to share with you in this video, I want you to watch to the end of this video so you can see how I ended up making up to $2,000 every single week with my friends. And this is a very good method that if you go ahead and try this method, it can help you with your family and your friends. So let's go ahead and start with our first method. So this is our first method, which is local hustle. So you need to go around and search or do a research at your area, and you can just find like what really people need help with around your area. It can be delivery. There are a lot of people right now, they are so lazy to go out and to buy something. So you can start offering them this delivery service, which is very possible to an area, and you can charge them at least $2 up to $5 per delivery. And if you find at least 10 customers every single day or every single week, you can end up making up to $100 every single week just by doing delivery. And there are others hustle that you can do in your area, like do cleaning to different houses. You just have to go ahead and look around if there is anyone that needs cleaning at their home, and they can pay you at least $10 per cleaning up to $20 per just cleaning to their environment or washing their clothes and all that. This can be very embarrassing at first, but if you are so serious about this and if you are so committed, you can find a lot of customers and you can make a reasonable amount of money just by cleaning houses and offering these services to different houses around your area, and you can start making a reasonable amount of money. And if you're feeling so embarrassing, you can just move to the next street that maybe not a lot of people know you. You can start offering these services and you can start making this amount of money in a very easy way. So that was our first method. Right now, let's go to our second method. Alright, so this one is very interesting. All I want you to do right now, you have to go to Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a place that a lot of people are going there to sell their different items. It can be beds, it can be carpets, it can be sofa. So they are selling their stuff on Facebook and they get customers, but not everyone knows how to sell this stuff on Facebook Marketplace. So all I want you to do right now, you need to advertise yourself that you help different people to sell their stuff on Facebook Marketplace and you get commission. Let's say that this person needs to sell this sofa right now. So if you're going to help this person to sell this sofa on Facebook Marketplace and they find customers, you get at least $10 from commission by helping this person to sell sofa on Facebook Marketplace. This is becoming more and more common. There are a lot of people are using this method to help people to sell their stuff and get commission, and they make a reasonable amount of money. If you get a lot of customers, you can make up to $500 every single week. So all I want you to do right now, you need to advertise yourself on different platforms that you are helping people to sell different stuff and you get commission. This one is a very good way for you to start making money right now. So let's go to the next method. So this one is our next method, using AI tools to work very fast. There are a lot of small business right now, they need to adapt this new system of using AI to make sure that they work very fast, to make sure that they work in a very good way and to compete with the other small business. So the only thing that you can do right now, you need to go ahead and approach to this small business. You have to promise them that you can be working for them as AI agent, to edit their videos that they always post on social media. It can be Instagram or TikTok. You need to be there using AI tools for editing videos, and it can be for writing captions, And the other way that you can start making money is by helping people to write their CVs. There are a lot of AI tools right now that you can write good CV in a good way. So you need to say that you are writing for them this CV, and you can charge them at least $15 per one CV. The good AI tools for writing CV, I can say that you can just use Claude. This one is the best AI tool that can help you to write good CV, and after that you can charge them at least $15 up to $20. And if you get more customers like every single week, you can make up to $500 in a very good way. And helping this small business to run their business using AI is something that is becoming more and more common, and there are a lot of small business right now, they need to adapt to this new way of using AI to work very fast in a good way. So let's go to our next method. All right, so this one is very easy because you can make this amount of money just from comfort of your home, just by using your mobile phone. So all I want you to do right now is that you can learn very simple skills on Canva. You can learn these skills like how to edit good thumbnails. You can learn these skills like how to use AI voices, how to edit videos, how to start posting for small business. And by learning that, you can start offering these services, and you can charge $20 per one service or $50 per one service. Example, I want to show you one thing. So let's say that you approach to this a small hotel in your area, and you tell them that you can be able to manage their social media account, and they can pay you at least $100 every single week just by managing, by posting, by making sure that you engage with their customers and all that, replying to messages and comments, and you get paid $100 just by helping this small business with a very simple skills. And you can do this on your comfort of your home, and you can start making at least $500. So let's say that you get at least 3 hotels in your area, and you manage their accounts just from your home. You do this every single day in a week, you get paid $500. $100 here, $100 there, you can just make at least $500 a week. And this one is becoming more and more common. You need to go to this website like Upwork and Fiverr to find these clients that they may be wanting to work with you just by offering this very simple service that you learned online. This one is very, very interesting way for you to start making money in this year. So right now, let's go to our next one, content creation. I know this can seem very hard at first because you need to find your audience for you to start making money. You need to have sponsorship, you need to have AdSense for you to start making money. But if you commit yourself, and you need to start posting like every single day just by using your mobile phone, and within very short time, it can be 6 months or it can be a year, you can start making at least $500 a week, $500 a day. It just depends like how good you are at your content creation. And if you're really good, you can attract more audience to watch your videos, and after that you can start making money using your audience by selling them products, but also at the same time by monetization. You can start making reasonable amount of money just by doing that. But about this one, it can take you're not going to make money immediately. It can take like few months for you to start monetizing your content on these different platforms. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram. You just need a few months for you to start making money from this. So I want to tell you like how I made $2,000, me with my friends, and this one is very important. And if everyone is going to copy this method that I use, I'm pretty sure that you are going to make reasonable amount of money. So me and my friends, we decided to create this company, to open this company, which is dealing about cleaning services. And we charge high prices. It can be house cleaning, it can be office cleaning, and we are charging at least starting $500 per cleaning. It can be house cleaning or office cleaning. So on this video that you see right now, me and my friends are working right here. We were heading to our client. He's opened this big hotel near our street, and we just convinced him that we need to be the people that we help him by cleaning this place. And He said yes, and we he offered us to give us like $2,000 every single month by cleaning this building. Is a very long building, so we are always cleaning this house like every single day to make sure that this house is very in a good condition. It's big building apartments with more than 12 rooms inside. So me and my friend, we go there every single day to make sure that we clean this house, and he pays us at least $2,000 every single month. So that means we make $500 every single week. So if you can just organize you with your friends, and you can decide to do these cleaning services, and you can start making money in a very good way. This service, I don't know if anyone ever tell you about this method, but this method of making money by cleaning houses is becoming more and more common, and people are making reasonable amount of money. You just have to organize you with your friends, and you need to start offering these services, cleaning services. You can start making money, reasonable amount of money. You just have to be willing to to ask different people that you are offering these services, and maybe they can be willing to start working with you. So thanks so much, and I hope that this one is very going to help you to start making money online. Thanks so much, and I see you next time. Thanks so much.